Extreme Life Reviewer here, reporting live from Orlando, Florida. Happens to be in my own neighborhood. Look at this humongous tow truck pulling up what seems to be a Dodge truck out of this pond. Now if you notice the road back there, I have no clue how this truck ended up in the water, unless it was stolen or something. But anyway, I've never seen this before, and I've been living here for 15 years. We got a big roundabout here, so it's impossible for this truck to just have missed it by doing some texting or not paying attention, because there's no tire marks right here behind me anywhere. It's only back there, so it doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the whole situation right now. But anyway, here it goes. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. This truck was inside the pond. But look where the street is. This is kind of crazy. How did that truck end up on the water like that? There's no marks in there. It's almost like somebody tried to hide the freaking thing in the lake. Maybe it was stolen. How the heck did they find it? Look at that. That is crazy. Extreme Life Reviewer signing off. Live news. Look at the tire marks right there, but there's no tire marks anywhere through the roundabout. So this is just too freaking weird. Okay, looks like everything's okay. I don't see any cops here, so that means nobody was inside the truck, I'm going to assume. Extreme Life Reviewing from Orlando, Florida. I'm out.
Yeah.